Welcome to BreitWerks. Alright, what are we doing? Well, we're getting ready to put an engine in the car, but before we do, we're trying to clean up all the wiring. So, this is pretty typical. The yellow wire, original harness, something happens, so they wire around it. And they go right to the starter from the ignition switch. Here's the part I can't figure out. And I am not an electrical engineer. I'm just the guy that has to deal with this shit when intermittents start happening. So we've got our yellow wire, and then we've got a butt connector that only 1/2 of was used. Okay, but then we have another one where only half of the butt connector was used. Now, why does this matter? Because you can see the corrosion they got inside there. So I think if they would have put one end in this side, one end in that side, crimped it, hit it with a heat gun or a lighter, you wouldn't have gotten that corrosion. So we got one, we got two, and check this out, there is 3 of these. So my guess is they only had this wire in like 3-foot lengths, so they just patched it together. Yeah, if you see something like that in your car, find somebody else to work on your car. All right, well, we're gonna snip this guy off, put a single solderless terminal that we heat shrink, and run it back to the original 14-pin connector, since we've got a new engine harness. But yeah, that green stuff right there is not supposed to be there. All that does is increase resistance, reduce the signal to the starter, and when it's hot and muggy out here in Florida, you go, why doesn't my car start? And it's not the expensive ignition switch, it's not the expensive starter, it's the fucking crimped wires that someone hid under the carpet. And you would never find this if you weren't looking. Okay, so you can tell I'm a little flabbergasted. Hey, if there's an electrical engineer out there that can explain why this is a better way to crimp this together, please let me know. I am all ears, always willing to learn. Yeah, so I mean, heck, maybe I'll change my process. And every 3 feet, maybe they thought it was like a fusible link or something, safety, I don't know. But if there's somebody out there who has an answer to this, please hit me up, BreitWerks.com. Send me a note, leave a message, or comment, whatever. I would love to know if there's any advantage to this other than lazy. Anyway, yeah, we're not going to be lazy. We're going to put this sucker together correctly. All right, thanks for watching. Check us out at BreitWerks.com.